Hi guys, so I put plenty of pictures of this parlour size thing I've just built. So here it is. There you go, one parlour size dog ball resonator, 4-string. I went with Eric's Mr. Denton. He said 4-string, so I went with 4-string. That's what we got. Still a bit of dust on it. There's a lot of dust cleaning off it. So the side is ACM, which is aluminium. Top and bottom is just beech ply from the local wood shop. The neck is sapele with a oak fretboard, medium frets, and abalone inlays. I've done the dog bowl in a matte black. I've done the bridge, string retainer in matte black. The made a biscuit bridge out of sapele, and put the black hurls in there. So that's pretty much it. The action is very, 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 very low. It's probably a little bit too low for sliding actually. Might have to higher it a little bit, but apart from that, it's brilliant. So we'll get a whirl through this little cube. Tuned whatever I tune them to. That's pretty much it. It's not made for anybody. It's just made because I made it, really. So if anybody's interested, let me know. And it's up for sale. It can be yours. It's a nice slim profile. It's not a really deep box. Plenty of breakout on the strings there. I fashioned a string tree out of a brass, bit of a brass rod there. So it has got my logo on the top, and it's got my logo here as well. Apart from that, that's it. So thanks for looking. Cheers. Nice little parlour size.